Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be taking us through to answer this Denet Storage Academy lesson 5 is out. Yes, Denet Storage Academic lesson 5 is out. So in this video I'll be taking us through to answer the quiz. Yes, so we have done the lesson 1, 2, 3, 4 before. Yes, so in case if you have not answered that one, I'll be leaving the link to the lesson 1, 2, 3, 4 in the description and comment section. Yes, so if you have not done that, you have to click on the link. I'll be leaving it in the description section, so you check there and answer all those the one we have done before. So this one is lesson 5. So as usual, you have to click on this Denet Academic. If today is your first time to come across to see this channel, please subscribe to this channel so that whenever we make video, we drop another one, YouTube will notify you, and like this video. Okay, so when you open it, you click here. Okay, so you can see now we have done 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's go to the 5 one. This is the 5 here. This is what we are going to do now, so just click on it. Alright, so you have to take your time. You can take your time and go through this, but I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, next, crypto wallet, so you can take your time and read all those things. Okay, next. Alright, so let's click next. Next, start test. Okay, so you can see the first question here. What are dApps? So what are dApps? This is the answer here. Apps that run on the blockchain and use smart contract. Okay, let's check it now. Okay, we got this. Let's go to the next question. So the next question here. What happens if you lost your private key? If you lost your private key, so for me, this is the answer here. You lost access to all assets on that address forever. Let's check it now. Okay, we got it. Let's go to the next question. So this is the next question here. You store your private keys in an exchange app. What type of wallet is this? This is the question. This is the answer here. Hot centralized wallet. Let's check it now. We got this. Let's go to the next question. Which statement about trading on crypto exchange is false? Okay, this is the answer here. On the desk, user always trade directly with each other. Let's check it now. Okay, we got it. Let's go to the last question now. Alright, this is the last question here. Why do you need a wallet? Why do you need a wallet? This is a very simple question. To store private keys. Okay, we got this. Check. Yeah, complete test. Okay, congratulations, your master crypto and decentralized technology and unlock the next step. The next token power global. Okay, they want us to put our email here. We just do. So I have inputted my email. So this is what they showed me. We will send you a step-by-step guide closer to the pre-sale. Okay, let's just leave this. So we have answered this. We have answered this now. So as I was saying, if you have not done the lesson 1, the test 1, 2, 3, 4, the link is in the description and comment section. Check there and answer all the question now. Yes, because this all what we are doing now is part of the airdrop criteria to ensure you are doing them. You get. So thanks for watching. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So in this video, in this channel also we talk about trading, spot and futures trading. We also give out free signal. So if you want to be part of us, you can check in the description section. The link to our WhatsApp group is there. Join it so that you can be part of us whenever we drop signal. Yes, we also have Escrow group. You can join the Escrow group. You can buy and sell any cryptocurrency of your choice. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.